Meaning of grime.
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 Grime. Grime is a genre of electronic music that originated in the UK in the early 2000s. It is characterized by its fast-paced beats, aggressive vocals, and dirty, gritty sound. The term grime also refers to the culture that surrounds the music, including fashion, slang, and attitude. Grime grew out of the UK garage scene and has since become a major force in British music, with artists like Skepta, Stormzy, and Dizzy Rascal achieving mainstream success. Despite its popularity, grime remains a raw and uncompromising art form that reflects the realities of life in urban UK.